Conclusion: common problems and frequently asked questions. It is impossible to predict all problems and questions. You can always get in touch via the contacts provided on this page on my site. Ask me a question and solve your problem. Here I want to tell you about the most common questions I have faced since writing the first version of VR Watch List and Linker. The first version of the VR Watch List and Linker analytical complex was written in 2013. It is now 2020. In the next few days, a global update will be posted, which fixes a huge number of errors. The code is improved and optimized. A lot of useful features added, which are described in the previous lessons. If something doesn't work for you, watch the video tutorials. If you watched the video tutorials and something doesn't work for you still, watch them again. But if it didn't work the second time, please contact me via technical support chat. You should write to me. I will look at it and try to help you. I usually help through the AnyDesk program. I connect, look, and check why a person's VR watch list and linker doesn't work. In the past, problems mostly arose due to the fact that there were no tutorials. There were no lessons, and I had to tell everything myself or write it on my website. Now I have prepared 13 lessons, and this video is their conclusion. You can view all the lessons and find a solution to your problem. Common problems. Why doesn't Linker change the charts? The person has installed VR Watch List and Linker to one chart and says, "Everything disappeared. VR Watch List and Linker is installed in a separate window." When I record all the lessons, I will try to make links in this window to all the lessons. But in this playlist, which will be published on my YouTube channel, there will be additional videos on the program, where I will answer questions, show examples, and help traders successfully use this program. What should you do if everything disappeared? You need to watch the lessons and select a separate window for VR Watch List and Linker, which will only contain the program. Nothing else will work in this window. Numbers, graphs, values, everything disappears. This window is only for the linker. Linker freezes the first time it loads. This means that the linker has come across a financial instrument that is not correct, for which there is no history, lots, or anything else critical. An instrument that the linker will not be able to load for more than 5 minutes is problematic. Of course, a lot also depends on the internet. At a low speed, it may take longer. If you see that the linker is stuck on some financial instrument, I recommend adding this instrument to the exclude field in the settings. This field is specially made to exclude such dead tools. Fortunately, this is fairly rare phenomenon. I checked the linker on several brokers and did not come across such instruments. However, since there are a lot of brokers, this setting was added so that this problem could always be solved. The linker is very slow in switching between charts. Sometimes it takes a very long time to switch from one symbol to another. What is the reason for this and what should you do? First, you need to remove all indicators from the charts. Every single one. I even recommend deleting all the templates and running the linker without any indicators. If the linker works quickly after that, that is VR Watch List and Linker quickly switches between financial instruments, the problem is in one of your indicators. One by one, start adding indicators to the charts, switch symbols, and find the indicator that causes slowing down or hanging. Unfortunately, there are thousands and tens of thousands of indicators posted on the internet which are written terribly. And some indicators, when you switch to another financial instrument, begin to recalculate its entire history starting from 90s. You don't need this data, but the indicator is written this way, and this calculation takes a lot of time. Even if you have a very powerful computer, it still takes time. Thus, stop using this indicator or find a similar but well-written one. Or order a custom indicator from a programmer. You can, of course, try to contact the author of the indicator and persuade him to improve the indicator so that it does not analyze 15 million bars when it is not necessary. Well, the universal advice is to use only high-quality indicators. Now, for example, I have 3 indicators installed on these charts, and as you can see, the linker works very fast. VR Watchlist and linker quickly switches between financial instruments. These were the 3 problems I encountered most often. I hope this video helps you avoid these problems. If you still have a problem, you can write to the technical support chat on my site, contact me via email, VK, or directly under this video to ask your question or describe the problem, and I will help you solve it. Thank you for watching all these lessons, for using this program and helping in its development. Below this video, there will be links to applications, indicator porting, and other additional useful material. Thank you for your attention. I hope that my program will help you succeed in trading on the financial markets.